So I haven't been able to actually go couponing this week. It's been a pretty hectic, long, emotional week for us here. But I was able to get to the store and get free eggs, which is an offer through coupons.com. So what you need to do is go to your coupons.com app and then go to the Walmart or Target, depending on which store you're going to go to, and click the free eggs offer. So you have to make sure that you have that offer clicked before going to the store, because if you head to the store before clicking it and then you go try to submit your receipt, it will not work. So click the offer, go to the store, pick up your eggs. These eggs for an 18 count was $1.80. So I'll get back that $1.80 through coupons.com. So I'll pay the $1.80 out of pocket, and then coupons.com will send me $1.80 straight to my PayPal account. It's super easy. And if you don't know how to submit through coupons.com, I will definitely show you how to submit a receipt to coupons.com, the app. Okay, go to your coupons.com app and open it up and go to the store, whether it's Target or Walmart, and then scroll through until you find that offer. And you can see with the green check mark that I've already clicked it. But just real quick for reference, like I said, before you submit something through coupons.com, you need to make sure you have that offer already clicked before you go to the store and purchase it. So say I want to use this coupon for brown cow yogurt. I'm going to just add in. It adds it to my offer. So when I go to the store and I can't print that coupon, I could buy it and then submit it to coupons.com. So that's how you add it. To submit a receipt, you go to the store that you're wanting to submit to, and then you go up and click submit receipt. And then you find the offer, and you check it, and then you go down to submit for item. Take picture of receipt. Finish. And there you go. And then once it gets approved, it will go to my PayPal account. To set up your cashback method, you go to My Account, Cashback Method. You click that, and then you link your PayPal in. Super easy, and once it gets approved, it goes straight to your PayPal.